In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Figma. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at how you can effortlessly integrate images into your Figma project. First things first, let's direct our attention to the Figma interface. You'll notice at the very top left of your screen, there's the Figma icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon is your gateway to a wide array of options within Figma. Once you've clicked on the Figma icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from there, you want to hover over and select File. This tab is your central hub for any file-related operations you need to perform within Figma. From the File menu, look for the option labeled Place Image. Once you've found it, click on it. Selecting this option will prompt your computer's File Explorer to open. This is where all the files on your system are accessible, making it easy to browse through your directories. A window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Find the image you wish to insert into your Figma workspace. When you've located the image, simply click on it to highlight your selection, then hit Open. Doing so will import the image into Figma, and now the fun part begins. With your selected image ready to be placed, your mouse cursor will transform, indicating that you're in image placement mode within Figma. Move your cursor around within your design canvas until you've found the perfect spot where you want your image to appear. Once you've decided on the positioning, simply click on the canvas and voila! Your image is now beautifully positioned within your project. Now, let's talk efficiency. There's another intuitive way to insert images into your Figma files that might just speed things up for you. It's all about utilizing the good old drag and drop method. To do this, open the folder on your computer where your desired image is located. While keeping both your File Explorer and Figma open, click and hold on the image file. Then, with your mouse, drag the image directly over to your Figma canvas. Release the mouse button, and there you have it. Your image is placed just where you dropped it. These methods are handy and efficient ways to incorporate imagery into your designs, giving you the flexibility to choose which approach best suits your workflow. Whether you prefer navigating through Figma's menus or simply dragging and dropping, these techniques are sure to enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Implement these techniques in your next project and watch as your design process becomes smoother and faster. Have fun designing, and see you in the next video.